The shack, all the steel work. The narration's been done this week by Dan, site foreman, who's way more knowledgeable than me, considering I'm overseas at the moment. We did it by voice memo, and let's see how it goes.
Ground floor slab all poured. Everything went really well with that. Our last structural slab for the build. Now turn our attention to structural steel and timber framing. Our lightweight structure to create the shell of the building. Guys here working from the EWP, the elevated work platform, to get those up. We see our steel columns through the slab penetrations like we pointed out in the last video. Our front roof section here, which will take our roof sheets. We have a box gutter and a parapet wall. You see those vertical stub columns acting as the parapet framework for that. You can see there we've got out and dug our 3 holes for our palm trees. An excavator craned out there and prepped our subgrade for landscaping and turf down the future. We have an engineer's detail we're working to on that. Gets frequently inspected almost every second day there to get that done. Timber LVLs getting lift in, laminated veneer lumber. They're our subfloor design, which will get infilled in between our steel beams and bolted on. Here we have our pool plumber installing all our pool provisions from our pool into our waterfront storage that will hold all our pool equipment. We get him in there. This all gets pressure tested before we backfill, making sure all our pipe work is connected and doing its job. So the guys working off the scissors now to do all their welded and bolted connections. Basically going through the whole job as per all our engineering details. We do have engineers' inspections and reports carried out every couple of days. There's that front section that I was mentioning a bit earlier. We've got that nice cladding, Safite cladding that'll be going up there. Me attempting to fly the drone through the front steel here, very, very shaky. Very worried about putting it in the drink. Took as much time as I could to get through there. We've got our strap as our bracing, our hold down, a temporary hold down system while we install some more structural steel, strengthen that up. Our timber's been lifted in, our scaffold down there like we mentioned. That was me almost falling into the
fucking hell.
falling into the hole for the palm trees.